Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Marketing Toolshed. Hey, what I wanted to do was take a few minutes and to share with you one of the most lucrative ways to make money out of the 16 revenue streams that I've already shared with you already. If you haven't taken up the course, this is just another sneak peek of probably one of the best ways to make money in Easy Course. And that is simple. That is the right here. What you have is the podcast library access. Now, let me dispel some myths out there. A lot of people think that you can make a lot of money podcasting. You can if you have a large following and you have a large sponsorship. If you are a small podcaster trying to get started, the most difficult path to positive cash flow is in podcasting until now. Right. And so what I want to do is kind of give you a sneak peek of the 9th revenue stream. Right. There's 16 revenue streams in Easy Course. This one is probably the sneakiest and can generate you and net you the most revenue out of all of them. So I decided to just share that, just a small piece of that with you today. And that is the podcast library access. Now, let me show you what you can do with this.
To move everything to the US, I would really like to know how this all works in the US. So yeah, it's a big question. Thanks for answering it.
Wow, you have a lot going on there. You have Colombia, France, New York. Okay, so let me start with my disclaimer. Please do not take my responses as actual advice, as I will only speak in hypotheticals. Please always consult with your own professional advisor, as they are the only ones that know your entire situation. All right. So as you can see, there's lots of ways you can make money with this, but this is what I do in the courses. I kind of tell you and give you the blueprint on how to actually do this. And I think if you go through all, and I think you get past 8, I actually show you another way to unlock that, to bring in even more visitors. Again, this is what we're doing here. This is the podcast library access. If you had a subscription set up to your podcast, or the most downloaded episodes, or the most popular episodes, you can charge a subscription to that, or you can charge a one-time fee to that. So again, 2 different ways you can make money off, and you can bundle that in with something else. If you sold each subscription for $5, or if you sold a subscription for $3 a month, you would make more from your Easy Course here, revenue stream number 9. You would make more from that. And if you sold 3 of them for $5, maybe let's say $15, that's equivalent to 1,000 downloads of a podcast on a popular streaming service. So you'd have to get 1,000 downloads at least to make $15. Whereas I just sold 3 accesses to my video podcast library. Listen, folks, I'm breaking down every single revenue stream. If you still want to get an opportunity to pick it up, I still have a few more codes left, discount codes. They're going fast. Hopefully this was helpful. This is another level, and I break it down even further, and I show you some other things as well. Again, 16 streams of revenue. There's going to be a lot more, but this is just only revenue stream number 9. You guys stay good out there. Goodbye for now.